Introducing the Vornado Evap40 Whole Room Evaporative Humidifier, a cutting-edge solution designed to transform your living space into a comfortable and perfectly humidified haven. Renowned for its exceptional performance, generous capacity, and user-friendly features, this humidifier stands out as a testament to Vornado's commitment to innovation. This review delves into the nuanced details of its design, functionality, and technical specifications, shedding light on why this humidifier has garnered acclaim in providing complete and uniform humidification for spaces up to 1,000 feet. Join us as we explore the key attributes that make this humidifier a standout choice in the realm of home humidification. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance excellence. This humidifier impresses with its optimum performance. The deep-pitched blades efficiently draw in substantial volumes of dry air through two humidifying filters. The Vortex Action, a signature feature, then circulates the humidified air uniformly across rooms up to 1,000 feet, ensuring comprehensive humidification. Number 2. Generous capacity. With a substantial 4-gallon capacity, this humidifier stands out for its long operational hours. Operating continuously on high, it provides up to 4 gallons of water output in 24 hours. This ample capacity translates to extended, uninterrupted usage and fewer bothersome refills, enhancing user convenience. Number 3. User-friendly controls. The control panel offers simplicity with adjustable fan speeds, low/750 RPM, medium/1150 RPM, or high/1600 RPM, and a humidistat dial for selecting the desired humidity level. This user-friendly interface allows customization to meet individual preferences with ease. Number 4. Low-maintenance design. Maintaining this humidifier is a breeze. The two spill-proof and leak-free removable tanks are not only easy to clean, but also simple to refill. This thoughtful design minimizes the hassle of upkeep, contributing to a user-friendly experience. Number 5. Intelligent humidification. Setting itself apart, this humidifier incorporates intelligent humidification. It gauges the ambient conditions, automatically adjusting humidity and circulation to maintain the desired environment. This feature adds a touch of automation, enhancing user comfort. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 10.5 inches depth by 19.5 inches width by 13.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Optimal performance with deep-pitch blades and Vortex Action. Impressive 4-gallon capacity for extended operation. User-friendly control panel with adjustable fan speeds. Low-maintenance design with spill-proof removable tanks. 1 reason not to buy. No dishwasher compatibility for humidifier components. Conclusion. The Vornado 4-gallon evaporative humidifier combines performance, convenience, and intelligence, making it a commendable choice for those seeking efficient and hassle-free humidification in their living spaces. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.